In Toledo, KUKA established the Body in White plant for Jeep Wrangler body shells. Here, we've specialized in producing one of the most popular off-road SUVs in the world, the Jeep Wrangler. Since 2006, KUKA Toledo has produced over 2.1 million Jeep bodies with an average production of 823 per day. The production of the unpainted vehicle body is a showcase for the KUKA know-how in the field of body structures.
This plant is pioneering in terms of networking, process control, and flexibility. For years, the plant has been one of the most efficient body in white lines in the automotive industry and has pioneered innovative solutions for new industry standards. Assembling the body in white involves welding the underbody, body sides, windshield frame, and closures together, which enables us to showcase our best-in-class automated metal joining technologies, developed primarily for customers in the automotive sector and in use in assembly plants worldwide.
In April 2018, the iconic Jeep Wrangler completed its journey at the KUKA Toledo plant. In April of 2019, the new Jeep Gladiator body production began. The new Jeep Gladiator is one of the most powerful mid-size trucks of all time. Currently, KUKA is planning to produce over 110,000 Gladiator bodies per year. KUKA Systems' production process and technologies, including automation and welding and joining solutions, are key to making the KUKA Toledo plant a pioneer in the industry. We've linked the plant's 279 robots and 60,000 other devices with our powerful manufacturing execution system and a master data management system. We've also integrated KUKA Pulse, our highly efficient and automated transport solution in the box production process.
By using the KUKA Pulse system, we are bringing our customers speed, efficiency, and cost savings. The pellet-based transport has very few moving parts, a low likelihood for faults, and operates at a very high speed. As Pulse only has one moving part, it has shown a low probability of failure and therefore saves production costs. In addition, the few components can easily be replaced, so maintenance costs are low.
To reduce vehicle weight and improve fuel efficiency, auto manufacturers have begun using lightweight materials and methods in the body in white assembly process. At KUKA Toledo, the Jeep truck aluminum door buildup is just one example of this. A lightweight aluminum door assembly is joined using a laser welding process. Compared to traditional spot welding, the use of the laser allows a reduction in the amount of flange needed to make the weld, further reducing weight in the finished assembly.
The auto hinge and door load processes at KUKA Toledo have unique process parameters. The first unique parameter is the split hinge design. Prior to the load, half of the hinge is bolted to the door and the other half is bolted to the body. Additionally, the hinge load is dimensionally supported by a robotic measurement system. The final door location is a result of robotic measurements and automatic sighting operations, ensuring a precise fit to meet customer demands.
Scalable, flexible, and efficient. KUKA Toledo is proud to be a reliable partner of FCA for many years. Producing the Jeep Wrangler has built up our expertise, efficiency, and power to do more. It is an honor to now be producing the Jeep Gladiator, one of the most powerful mid-size trucks of all time. With every step in the process, we continue to revolutionize our abilities, bringing you world-class, innovative production solutions.
Orange Intelligenz.